welcome to another vlog. If you're new, welcome. My name is Andrea, but I go by Drea Atkins. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thank you for coming back to see your girl. I love and appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'm just gonna give you a second to go subscribe before we continue the rest of the video. Just 1 second. You know, it's just the red button you're gonna see to, I don't know, your left or your right. Left, right. Just find the subscribe button and please subscribe for your girl. It definitely does help me out. So thank you. So in today's vlog, it's gonna be like a Sunday reset vlog. Even though it's not Sunday, because on Sunday we go to church. It's actually Saturday. But still preparing for next week. So we're gonna do a couple of things this morning to prepare for the coming week. Got my hair done, got some braids for the fall, you know, hope you like it. Also, we finally got a couch. I think in my last vlog, or my last couple of vlogs, there's been no couch. We finally have somewhere to sit when we come home. So it's very nice. I like it. Everything, it goes with the vibe of the house. This black throw does not go. I'm gonna get like a basket on the side over there where I'm gonna put all of our throw blankets in it so that you won't see the black, because the black clearly doesn't go. I also want to get 2 more pillows, and I don't want it to be plain. I'm gonna get like 2 more pillows with some sort of design, like lines or squiggly lines, something. I want some sort of design and in a different color. I'm thinking like a mustard or like a yellow, something to contrast it. I don't want the same color, so haven't found time to go get that yet, but that's what we're gonna do. I also want to get a picture for the wall. This wall is very bare. I'm debating between getting 1 long picture or getting like the 3 cut-ups. I'm leaning more towards like 3 separate pictures that amount to 1. And then obviously we still have to get the TV, so the mount is already up, but no TV yet. So yeah, that's a few house updates there. Oh, we also got like this mini knife set. I think it's really, really cute. Got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. And it comes with, honestly, it comes with 4 knives, but it comes with exactly what I need. I don't need a whole set right now, but each one has a purpose, and I like how it's not all the same. Like each one is different. So honestly, 4 is just enough. And if we need more, we'll get it. And I just like how like this counter space is not that large. So I just like how it doesn't take up too much space. I really like that. So yeah, that's it for house updates. Now I'm just gonna start off by juicing, because I've been wanting to juice for a while. I'm gonna make 2 different types of juices. I'm gonna make celery juice, like a green juice for the mornings, and then I'm also gonna do like a carrot juice, like carrot, red apples, oranges, and then the celery is gonna be like celery, anything green, celery. I have some green apples, I think. Yeah, green apples or green pears. Yeah, one or the other. So celery, green pears, ginger, of course, is gonna be in both. I love ginger. And then I'm gonna do ginger shots later. I don't think I'll do ginger shots today because I don't have enough ginger. But yeah, these are the boxes that I got from Amazon. I mean, not boxes. These are the juice containers that I got from Amazon. I was waiting for these, that's why I didn't do my juices yet. These are 16-ounce glass bottles. So it's a good size to put our juices in for the week. And then I finally get to use our juicer. I still haven't used it yet. Don't even know if it works. I'm sure it does though. So yeah, I got 6 of them.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? I don't know. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry.
I'm gonna do the celery juice first. So I'm gonna get my celery. I'm gonna add cucumber, ginger, and some lemon. Oh Lord. Not the pear, spoiling child. Some lemon and sometimes I like adding pineapples for some sweetness. Yeah. So we're gonna start the green juice first. Before I juice, I like to rinse all my ingredients with vinegar just to sanitize it. And I like to chop it into smaller pieces. It's easier for the juicer if they're not in like big chunks. So I'm just gonna clean all my vegetables and then we can begin juicing.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot, so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it. It's so fine, it's so mine, hey, baby. And we don't mind all the watching. Cause if they study close, real close, they might learn something. She ain't nothing but a little doozy when she does it. She's so fine. I be on my suit inside. I be on my suit inside. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things. Stop. Let me get a good look at it. Ooh, so thick. Now I know what it called being a fatty. No, shit's so sick, gotta hit and picked up a habit. But that's alright, cause you're all mine. Oh, go on, show 'em who you call daddy. I guess they're just my cause, girl, they wish they had it. Ooh, my killer, my killer.
There's all the green juices. I got 3 full bottles and I got a glass, which I get to roll in. So now I'm gonna work on the carrot juice. So for the carrot one, I'm gonna use carrots, apples, ginger, and oranges. So we'll see how that tastes. So I'm just gonna scrape off the skin off of the carrots, the apples, and the oranges, and a little bit off the ginger. And then I'm gonna rinse it in vinegar and water, just like I did the green juice ingredients. They'll never see me coming.
Yeah, you're a classic, and you're all mine. Tonight, I be on my suit inside. I be on my suit inside. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Now we're in the swing of love. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Hey. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things.
All the juices are complete. Tastes delicious. I even had some extra for myself. The orange juice, not orange juice. The
Carrot juice.
The carrot juice. I don't know. I forgot what it was. The carrot juice. The carrot juice is so good. The carrot, like the ginger. It's always the ginger for me. Cheers. After preparing all the juices, and I continued and prepared dinner. On this day, we had some ribs, potatoes, coleslaw salad, and corn. This dinner was delicious, if I do say so myself. Let me know if you'd like me to record a full tutorial. And then after we ate, we chilled for a bit, and then we began cleaning the house for the rest of the evening. And then I wind down after with some tea, and that's how we ended our productive day. So I'm just gonna let you vibe out with the music and watch me continue with my day. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.